Hello, John Bloodworth, Gentleman Crafter here with Card Sketch Challenge number 4. This is the card that I will be making throughout this video, and it's quite a quick one this week, despite everything that's involved. And that's probably because I've gone ahead and die cut a few things already. So I'm just showing you various bits that I'm using, and the card that I've actually made, which is 6x4, comes from the Happy Colours pad that I found in a local shop. I think it was the Works, in fact. So I'm just chopping down the layers according to the free download that you can grab from my blog, gentlemancrafter.com. That comes with a picture of this card and also the actual layout with all the measurements. So you can print those out, store them, refer back to them, make notes about what you've changed or done, entirely up to you. Now, I wanted to stamp out the sentiment and let it dry whilst I was sticking everything down, so I did. Just using some VersaFine ink on this clear stamp from, I've forgotten the name, Visible Image, that's the one, Visible Image. Some wonderful sentiment stamps from that company. There we go. You don't have to be perfect to be beautiful. Thank goodness. Now sticking down the layers as ever with the Pinflair bookbinding glue. I often get asked about the best paper, the best thing for this, the best thing for that. And I always find it difficult because best is subjective according to the project, the person, or the budget. But I think I'm safe in saying that this is the best paper crafting glue ever. I don't know what's in it, but I suspect it's magic. Okay, so the two layers are down. Now the main sentiment panel I wanted to raise up from the card, so I'm just popping that on with some foam pads. My preference is the sellotape sticky fixers, as the backs are super easy to peel off. But of course you can use whatever you've got in your stash. Now I have already assembled some die cuts into flowers and foliage. And I'm basically just mirroring what I do on the top or bottom to what goes on the other end. It's just a way of filling in that blank white space. If you've got a very long sentiment that you want to use, you might find you only need one of these. So it's basically just working with whatever you've got and whatever that leaves you space-wise. That makes sense, right? Anyway, apart from the die cutting, which took a little bit of time, you can see how quickly that one came together. So, go make yours and pop it on the Facebook group.